right, set your clock because we're going to get right into this. We're not waiting around down and talk too much here. Remember, this is all about having fun. You're going to need a G, you're going to need a D, and a C. And we're going to do an old rock classic from The Who. Here is Squeezebox. Oh, mama's got a squeeze box she wears on her chest, and when daddy comes home, he never gets no rest. She's playing all night, and the music's alright. Mama's got a squeeze box, and daddy never sleeps at night. When the kids don't eat, and the dog don't sleep, there's no escape from the music in the whole damn street, because she's playing all night. Music's alright. Mama's got a squeeze box and daddy never sleeps at night. She goes, squeeze me, come on and squeeze me, come on and squeeze me like you do. I'm so in love with you. Mama's got a squeeze box and daddy never sleeps at night. That's what it's all about right there. G, C, and D, a classic rock song from The Who. It's called Squeezebox. You're going to love it. It's a great song to play. Fantastic for campfires. So, that's all I got for today. This is Ohio Jimbo. Until the next time, if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here.